All right, in the next example, we've got population of a city, and we have different x's and y's, and it says this table shows population of the city. Find the best fitting quadratic model for the data around to 3 decimal places. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to go back through our steps and put in our new information. So I'm going to go over to Stat. I'm going to go to Edit. I'm going to go to my L1s. If you hit Clear and then Enter, it will clear out the whole column. Go to the L2s. Go up to where L2 is highlighted. Hit Clear, Enter. That will clear out that column, and we will type in the new ones. Now, remember, when you have years since 1970, you take the starting year and you don't write it as 1970. You write the starting year always at 0. So we'll start out with 0. Our next one, we've got 10, and then 20, and then 30, and then 40. Sorry, let me change that so it doesn't look like a negative. Let's change it into an arrow. Our starting point is always going to be 0, so that is the year 1970, which means that would be 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010, and so on. Population in thousands is our Y, so go over to your L2s, type in your Y's. So 489, 801, 1202, 1998, 2959. We've got our information plugged in. We've done Stat Edit. Now we've plugged in our L1s and L2s. Go to Stat Calc and then Quadratic Regression. So we're almost done. So Stat, Calc, Quadratic Regression, number 5, and then go down to Calculate and push Enter. So here is our new one. Our A is going to be 1.209, and that gets the x squared. Our B is going to be 12.99, and that 8, because it's got a 5 next to it, will become a 9 when we round up, x. And then our C value plus 504.257 when we round. Now it says, using this model, what will be the estimated population in 2020? Well, if this is 1970, and this is 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010, so 2020 would be 10 more years, so it would be at 50. There's a couple different ways we can do this. We can plug in 50 for x, or we can see it in our table. So the first way, I'm going to just plug in 50 for x, which would be 1.209 times 50 squared plus 12.999 times 50 plus 504.257. And that's just plugging it in for your x. So we've got, I'll quit that menu and we'll type it in 1.209 parentheses 50 squared plus 12.999 parentheses 50 plus 504.257, and we get 4,176.707. Now, the other way we could have done this, we could have taken our equation, put it into y equals, so that's what I'm going to do. Go to y equals, clear out the old one, type in my new one, so 1.209 x squared plus 12.999 x plus 504.257. And then if you go to your graph, it's going to make your graph and We can't see it, but you see that it's in the hundreds. But if we go to second graph table, we can look at the point 50. So we've got to go all the way to 50. And then, yes, this is going to take a while, so you just have to scroll down until you get there. But this is the other option. Keep going, we're at 40, almost there, and 50. 4176.7, and that is the same. So either way you do it, that's how to get it. Hope this was helpful. You will need to know this on your next chunk test, so make sure you do this activity and you understand it.